So for your own safety, please stay in your seats during the whole test ride. And during the test ride, I'm in connection with the onboard staff. They will tell me the traveling speed, and then I give you information about the traveling speed at the different locations on the track. So lean back and enjoy the test ride.
You say we're doing both loops.
Mm-hmm. 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
Now see if you can feel it when it starts to lift.
Mm-hmm.
You should be able to feel it and hear it.
So in a few moments the levitation system will be activated. A few seconds later the propulsion system will be switched on, and then we will move without any mechanical contact here on the track.